So let me talk about 1099 a little bit, okay? Let me get a survey. How many of you heard about 1099 ever? Raise your hand. Okay. So almost half, more than half, okay? Let's talk about 1099, okay? 1099, form 1099. Oh, by the way, you can purchase from 1099, okay, at a stationery, say Staple, okay, Office Depot. Why? Because you are the person who pay money to somebody else. During the year, you are the person you pay money to somebody else. And by law, if you pay the same person more than $600 per year, you are supposed to give that person 1099. In the meantime, you file a copy to IRS. So IRS has their information to go after the people who receive your money and making sure that person file income tax. You got it? And 1099 is kind of things very similar to W2. Okay, let's talk about this a little bit because we need to set out a certain foundation for this class. Okay. For some of you, or most of you, you work for as an employee. You receive your salary. So every year you receive W2 from your employer, right? Because your employer report to IRS, and let IRS know how much money you receive during the year. So W2 is for salary income. Okay, for salary income. 1099 is the one very similar to W2. However, 1099 used for independent contractor. Independent contractor. So what is independent contractor? So I'm a lawyer, for example, right? Somebody pay me, that's independent. Or some of you are real estate agent. You receive a commission through each transaction. Or you are just contractor. You come in to fix, the people come in to fix your home. Then, another thing, landlord. Landlord, you have a landlord. Your tenant is supposed to give you 1099, but 99% they did not give to you. So at least you know what is 1099 for, okay? 1099 is information paper filed or issued by the people who pay the money to the person who received the money. Of course, one copy sent to IRS and verified through your social security number or your tax ID. So IRS use this number to go after the people who receive the money and make sure those people is called payee. Payee, the people who receive the money, making sure those people they filed income tax. And then Tracy's questions. Let me repeat it. Does corporation receive 1099?
Yeah.
Am I right? Your question is does.
I mean, I understand my CPA told me if the payee is a corporation, you don't have to give 1099.
That's
but
correct.
I don't know S corp. Do you have to give?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me repeat Tracy's question one more time. Okay. Remember I just said, right? Payroll. The people who pay money issue 1099 to the person who received the money. Right now, her question is if the person received the money as corporation, doesn't matter C corporation, S corporation, and her CPA told her, say if you pay the money to a corporation, then you don't have to issue 1099. And her further question is, if the payee is S corporation, what happens then? Same thing. Okay, same thing. If your payee is corporation, doesn't matter C or S, as a payor, as a person you pay the money, doesn't matter more than 600, lower than 600, you do not give 1099 to the corporation. Why? Let me tell you why. The answer is easy, you don't. Okay, but why? Okay, we're gonna talk about more. Okay. 1099, as I said, is very like a W2. Okay, and 1099 is the income is called independent contractor income, and that income during this semester we're gonna talk about that. Okay, will be reported. Okay, if you receive 1099, for example, as an individual. Okay, when you receive 1099, say for example, last year you received from this person, okay, say $2,000 on 1099. You put it together because you don't receive just only 1099. Okay, you probably as an independent contractor you probably receive so many 1099 from so many different payroll, right? You put it together and you add it up. You report it where? Anybody know? This is the A student question. Yeah. Yeah, Schedule C. We're going to talk about Schedule C a lot for this semester. Schedule C. Schedule C is under the title. Schedule C is called business income, profit or loss. And don't forget, when we say Schedule C, don't forget the magic word. Okay, Schedule C to 1040. We always say Schedule C, but we forgot it. This is Schedule C to 1040. As I said, there's only 2 pages. So smart, only 2 pages, so easy, so simple. However, so many schedule attached to it. So whenever you say schedule, after this class, you learn it. Whenever you mention or you name schedule, always don't forget say to what. Because 1040 is what? Individual. Individual. So that is the reason why you give 1099 only to those taxpayers who file 1040. And then you may ask me, wow, if I pay to corporation, how does IRS audit that? And that is not your business. Okay? You say, well, if I don't give 1099 to this corporation, they may not file income, and that is not your business. That is up to IRS. You got it? So the answer is, if the payee, the person or the entity receive your payment is not individual, you don't give 1099. Got it?